Here's something awesome about the Smart Collections and their products. You see, you have here, for example, manual sort, where you can change the positions, but of course if you have many collections, how do you know at first what products there are in those Smart Collections and how do you change their positions? So with Excelify you can export Smart Collections with the rules and with linked products to the Excel file. Alright, so if you download that exported file, here you can see there is this collection. Here, this collection available in stock. It takes up so many rows because here are those products which exist in this collection. So there's a product ID, the position, and the handle. And so basically, yeah, those are the positions. And if you need to change them, you can, for example, change it like that. You can, for example, swap it. Let's make Airbus 318 appear as the first one. We can delete those, save, and import back the same file. Alright, so it updated one collection, and now if we refresh it, yep, you should see that Airbus is now here on the top. And of course there is a lot more to that. You can also change the rules, that's already known, but at first the app is identifying, when you are importing, it identifies by the ID, but if it doesn't find the product by ID in that collection, it will search it by the handle. And it's very valuable if you are exporting products from one shop and importing them into the other with all the collections. So your export and import will basically retain the same positions of those products as you have them in your export file. And yeah, and as always with all the Excelify imports, you actually don't need any other columns. You can just delete those columns and basically update only what you need to update. So in this case, for example, we will again update the positions, but you must remember that, let me show you here, there is a column sort order. This sort order should be always manual. So if you will not have the manual sort order there, you will still see in the export, you will still see the products which are in this collection, but here the positions would be empty. And so let's imagine if you have a collection which didn't have the sort order manual, you can import it, you can make it manually sorted and at the same time change the product positions in the same import. And I'll show you one other way how to change the, let's put the challenger on the first place, but now we will not have positions. We will have it like this. We will just move the challenger on the top, and yeah, for example, we can set this is position 1, Boeing will be position 2, and for all the other positions we just leave empty, and it means that it will retain the same order as it is in this file. So we specifically specify that, okay, I want this as first and this as a second and sort order as manual, and that's it. And even if we will set, for example, manually here that it's the best selling order, here you see now the challenger is okay, the challenger is first. Let's put the lowest price. Okay, now we have this kind of sort order, but as soon as we will import this file, okay, now refresh, Boom! You see, you have the sort order manual, and the first is Challenger, then is Boeing, and then all the rest of the products in this order as they appear here. Yeah, that's how it basically works. Have fun.